So let us discuss a question in binomial theorem. Uh, if the coefficient of x and x square are 3 and minus 6 in the expression given, then we have to find m and n. So basically we are multiplying 1 plus x raised to m and 1 minus x raised to n. So first uh, let's try to multiply them. Now whatever we have learned so far in binomial theorem, we can say that 1 plus x raised to m can be written as 1 plus m c1 x1 plus m c2 x square plus m c3 x cube and so on. Similarly, 1 minus x raised to n can be written as 1 minus nc1 x plus n c2 x square minus n c3 x3, and then we multiply these two. Now basically we have to multiply and find the coefficient of x and x square. So first let us try to find the coefficient of x in these expression. So for that we can neglect higher terms because let's say if we take x square, if we multiply anything with x square, it will be at least power 2. So you can neglect the higher power terms. So then, like, if we multiply, we can basically see that x in this will be so let's try to multiply. We take 1 here and then we try to multiply it over here. So this will be 1 minus n c1 x. Similar and then we if we multiply further, we'll get higher power terms. Now what we do, we take mc1 and try to multiply here. So we get plus m c1 x, and if we multiply further, then we get mc1 n c1 x square. So we are not taking higher terms, and so on. So basically the coefficient of x in this is mc1 minus nc1 x. So this is coefficient of x. Next we have to determine coefficient of x square. Now again what we'll do, we will continue with this expansion and we'll multiply. So then we get 1 minus nc1 x plus nc2 x square. We'll neglect the cube terms. Then we get mc1 x minus mc1 nc1 x square, and then if we further multiply, we will get cube terms which we can neglect. Next we start with multiplying with x square, and then we will get mc2 x square, but if we multiply further, again we'll get cube term. So in this expansion we can say that x square will be nc2 minus mc1 nc1 plus mc2 x square. So this will be coefficient of x square. So now we know that mc1 minus nc1 this is 3 and m c2 plus n c2 minus m c1 n c1, this is basically minus 6. Next we have to simplify the combinations. We will get m minus n equal to 3 and m into m minus 1 divided by 2 plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 minus mn is equal to minus 6. So next we have to solve these two equations. Let's solve them. So we can say that m square plus n square minus 2mn minus m plus n is equal to minus 12, and this simplifies to m minus n whole square minus m plus equal to minus 12. We found that m minus n is 3, so this becomes 9 minus m plus n is equal to minus 12 m plus n. This means that m plus n is equal to 21, m minus n is 3, and then we can solve them and obtain that m is equal to 12 and n is equal to 9. Hence this is your answer.